Hi guys, good morning. Another crystal to check. And oh, look at this part, right? It's really pretty. Grabe. Grabe yung kinang niya. And the lines. And natural pong pyrite yan. Okay, now, para hindi yan yung pinapag-guess natin or hindi yan yung i-check natin. Ito ang i-check natin. Yan. I know what this is. For sure yung iba dyan may idea na. But look at this. Yan na. Okay, so lagyan natin ng scratch test. So, ito yung fingernails. Yan. Kung calcite ito, dapat ma-scratch ko siya. So, as you can see, medyo clear naman po, diba? So, scratch natin. Okay. So, ang na-scratch niya, and ito wala. Ang na-scratch niya is yung fingernails ko. See? Ulitin natin. Yan. See siya, wala siyang scratch. So, meaning, hindi siya calcite. Kasi ang calcite is 3 lang sa moss hardness. Okay. And then, if we'll use the Presidium naman, okay, let's zoom out. Yan, tignan natin yung hardness niya. See, pumapatak siya sa tourmaline or quartz. Okay, so meaning, nasa 7 to 7 point. Ayan, look at that, see? Yan. Sobrang taas niya. Okay, so may mga nakahawak na nitong gantong gems, alam niyo yung sinasabi. I think you will know this. Pero the most important part about this gem is this one. Okay. Oh, look at this. Yan, it turns pink under UV light. Hindi lahat, pero most of them. And this is a bit rare, on the rare side. So again guys, good morning. Guess the stone. Yan, ano po itong stone na to? Good morning. Bye for now.